Talking about sweet thing, what I'm holding here is called lump sugar. Okay, this is called lump sugar. So this sugar is made specifically for the female. So you see, this video is for female. So this lump sugar is made specifically for the female, most especially those whose whenever oga want to browse, the website, it will look as if harmattan, has run through that region. So everywhere, just dried. This is what you need. And also those that also complain, they hungry me, and sometimes, they pay me, they pay me, all that kind of thing.
Are you playing?
Whenever, you want to browse, this is what you need. Okay, taking 5 to 10 of these before the job, we actually make the road smoother.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Smoother, it will, put some oil, in the road, so that the vehicles will be able to, wet a little bit before the real action. Okay, so this is what you need. Just take 5 to 10 of this cube and then wait a little bit before the job. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video.